Okay folks, welcome to Family Friendly Bushcraft. Before the video gets going, we'll just take a quick pause for a minute while you hit like, subscribe, write any comments you want, ask for any content you want. Cheers. The first kit reviews on Family Friendly Bushcraft. You've all seen the tripod we did in the original video, so we're going to do a quick review of that. It's a real simple aluminium tripod I got from Amazon. Aluminium camping tripod barbecue. Comes in this neat little blue pouch. There's my oldest boy Conan. He's doing the assembling today. He's never put this bit of kit together before.
Conan, can I do the wrap?
Got two black sections each leg, then the red section, yeah? Now you can see there's plenty of height for working over the fire log of most small campfires. It's always a way, isn't it? Wherever you move, the smoke follows you. It's great stuff. The joys of bushcraft. Just use the force and make that smoke go away. It's got plenty of height. It is fairly flimsy, but it seems to take the weight of the coffee pot fine. It's got the hook for the handle going up the chain to the top. Now you've got a pin adjuster. You just shove it through a link of the chain to get it the right height. It is warm, isn't it?
Yeah. We'll get some ready next time you come back.
Maybe me didn't react in time to the sizzling and it's boiled over a little bit, but not a problem. Oh, we've got decent brew there. The joy of this, it's light enough so you can pick the whole unit up with your brew. Move it away from the fire. There's latent spraying water everywhere in the background, that's why it's calling me now. So we'll move it away, just let the metal parts cool. That's been right close to the fire and it has taken a bit of heat. So we do want to be a bit careful with kids around, which is the whole point of this series. That's a nice tidy bit of coffee, that does. I'm going to drop the grounds. I don't know who invented this technique, but I never thought it actually really does. My dad coming to pinch the coffee. We've got 3 generations on Family Friendly Bushcraft today. Like Guinness. Like Guinness, just a job. Fireman Leighton!
Fireman Leighton, look!
Did you get squished? Squirted, I mean. Leighton's more interested in the water than the fire today, which is unusual for him. I was thinking about that. In the Gizzy. No.